Baby, drop that thing on the floor. Come tell me what you want. I can't understand it. If your body language is all hunched up on your phone, acting like you don't know. You the hottest, you the baddest, you the realest. We don't need technology to go and feel this. Hold that thing in the air. Come show off what you wear. See it in that heart. Once you let your guard down, all these things in the way. Wish they'd all go away. Wish they'd all go away. I wish it was just you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. Feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Something we can't describe. Something we can't deny. Between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Push that boy out your face. Guys like that are a waste of time. They form in a queue, but they gon' wait a lifetime. This queen don't need to go dancing like she don't know. She the hottest, she the baddest, she the realest. Think of all the things that we could go feel with you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. Feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Something we can't describe. Something we can't deny. Between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Move your feet, get closer with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all the stress. Move your feet, get closer with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all the pressure. Move your feet, get crazy with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all the stress. Yeah. Move your feet, get crazy with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all the pressure on you, me, I feel like there's a vibe. Feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Something we can't describe. Something we can't deny. Between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. I feel like there's a vibe. Feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. Something we can't describe. Something we can't deny. Between us here tonight.
Let's learn the vibe. It's choreographed by Tim Johnson. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 1, 3, and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tags, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and where all those tags happen so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the vibe. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, step forward, left. We're now going to do a right anchor step. We're going to bring our right foot in and behind our left, step down onto your left foot, and then step your right foot slightly back. When you step back, you want to slightly angle your hips to the left because we are going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to do a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to weave with a sweep, so we're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. And as you cross, you're going to sweep your right from back to front. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to do a quarter chasse over your right shoulder. You're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. Bring your left foot in and next to your right, and then step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left over our right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot, and then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. We're facing 3 o'clock, left is crossed over right, right was just swept around. We're crossing that right over our left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 half turning shuffles. We're going to start by making a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. Step your left foot in and next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. Bring your right foot in and next to your left and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and then step your right foot back. We're now going to do 2 walks back with toe fans. So you're going to step back with your left, and as you step back with your left, you're going to keep your right heel on the ground, and you're going to lift your right toe up and fan it from left to right. You're now going to step back with your right, and you're going to keep your left heel on the ground, and as you step back, you're going to fan your toe from right to left. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our coaster step. You're doing your 2 half shuffles. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to weave, crossing our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You want to use this crossover as a prep, so you should try and point your toes more towards the right to allow you to turn over your right shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a mambo together, rocking our left foot forward, recover back onto your right, and then you're going to step your left foot in and next to your right, and you can slightly push your hips back, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your walk, and your anchor. So when you do that mambo and you bring that foot in, you're pushing your hips back, but your weight is on your left foot so that you can step forward with your right. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our heel fan. Weight is on your right. We're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your weave. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, anchor, step, quarter, half, weave, behind side cross, sweep. Cross, quarter, back, quarter, chasse. Cross, quarter, back, left, coaster, step, half shuffle, mambo, step, back, fan, weave, behind side, cross, side rock, cross, quarter, back, half, forward, mambo together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, I personally like to do 3 of the fans back instead of 2. It's a personal styling thing. I like to add an extra one in. The step sheet does say that you do them on the walks back, so that choice is up to you. Now let's talk about the tags. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 1, 3, and 6. So wall 1 will be our 12 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 counts. Facing 3 o'clock, add on the tag. You'll then dance wall 2 all the way around, and then when you get to the back wall, or 6 o'clock, you'll dance wall 3 at the end of that wall. You'll be facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to add on the tag again. You'll then dance wall 4, wall 5, and then the second time that we come to the 3 o'clock facing wall, you'll dance the 32 counts and add on the tag to the back. So the tags are gonna go facing 3 o'clock, facing 9 o'clock, and then facing 6 o'clock. And then after that, you're done with the tag. I'm gonna do it to the front wall just so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll practice it to all 3 walls. When you do your tag, you would have just ended with your mambo together. You're going to do crossing walks forward. So you're gonna step forward with your right, but it's gonna be slightly across your left, and it's going to be slow walk. So each walk is going to be 2 counts, and then you're gonna cross your left over your right slightly. Now, from here, you're gonna quickly step forward with your right foot, and you're gonna lock your left foot in and behind your right. And when you do this, you're gonna slightly angle towards, right now we build at 9 o'clock. When we're doing the tags, you'll be at 12 o'clock or whatever wall is to your left. So right now we're facing 12 o'clock, so we're slightly angled to 9 o'clock. We're going to do a full unwind over our left shoulder coming back to 12 o'clock. You're gonna unwind over that left shoulder, and you're gonna keep your weight on your left foot, returning to 12 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your 2 steps forward. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's try it to the side wall. We would have just done our mambo together. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your walk. It's walk, hold, ball, lock, full unwind, and then you're ready to walk, walk, and anchor step all over again. The next time we do it, you'll be facing 9 o'clock. You'll do those same exact steps, weights on your left. You'll do your walk, hold, step, lock behind, and unwind, weights on your left foot. And then the third time you do it, you'll be facing 6 o'clock, and you'll do your walk, hold, step, lock behind, and unwind over your left shoulder, returning to 6 o'clock, and then you're ready to dance that wall for the next wall. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance, which means we're going to go through all 3 tags just so that you can practice where they happen. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk and anchor. Walk, anchor, step, quarter, half, weave, behind side, cross, sweep. Cross, quarter, back, quarter, chasse. Cross, quarter, back, left, coaster, step, right, half, shuffle, left, half, shuffle. Mambo, back, fan, behind side, cross, side rock, cross, quarter, back, half, forward. Mambo together, do your tag, step, step, hold, ball, cross behind, and your unwind, ready to start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, anchor, step, quarter, half, weave, behind side, cross, sweep. Cross, quarter, back, quarter, chasse. Cross, quarter, back with your coaster, step, half, shuffle, mambo, back, fan. Weave, behind side, cross, side rock, cross, quarter, back, half, forward, in your mambo, do your tag, step, hold, ball, cross behind, and your full unwind, start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, anchor, step, quarter, half, weave, behind side, cross, sweep. Cross, quarter, back, quarter, chasse. Cross, quarter, back in your coaster, step, half, shuffle, mambo, back, fan. Weave, behind side, cross, side rock, cross, quarter, half, mambo, together, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Do your tag. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk and anchor. Quarter, half, and weave with a sweep. Cross quarter back, quarter chassé. Cross quarter back in your coaster step, half shuffle with the right and the left mambo. Back fans, weave, behind side cross, side rock, cross quarter back, half forward, and your mambo together. And then you'll keep dancing all the way through. The dance is gonna naturally end facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp listed in the video description below to scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear facing demo as much as you would like until you get it down so that you can hopefully rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the vibe. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Baby, drop that thing on the floor. Come tell me what you want. I can't understand if your body language is all hunched up on your phone, acting like you don't know. You the hottest, you the baddest, you the realest. We don't need technology to go and feel this. Hold that thing in the air. Come show off what you wear. See it in that heart. Once you let your guard down, all these things in the way. Wish they'd all go away. Wish they'd all go away. I wish it was just you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. Guys like that are a waste of time. They form in a queue, but they gon' wait a lifetime. This queen don't need to go dancing like she don't know. She the hottest, she the baddest, she the realest. Think of all the things we could go feel with you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. I feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. When you're ready to try and let go of all the stress, move your feet, get crazy with me.